Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So we have a makeup tutorial for today, and if you want to see how I got this amazing result, please sit back and watch this video to the end. My name is Kalista Adumike, a professional makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So guys, I come with this glamorous look and I want you guys to see this video to the end. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video, guys. So we're starting off by cleaning her face with the Blossom Micellar water. You just have to start on a clean slate. So this particular transformation is very dear to my heart because the model have so much I think she have a very sensitive skin, and there's so much work to be done to her skin, especially in the building of the foundation and lots more. So, and she also have a dry skin as well, so there's more to the layering of her for hydration of her skin prep. Like, I was just layering the hydrating step from one to the other. So guys, I started off the skin prep by spraying her face with the Mario Badescu hydrating spray, after which I went into the Neutrogena water boost. Remember, I told you guys that she have a dry skin, so I have to make sure her skin is overly hydrated, like very much hydrated. So then I went into the Cos S Snail moisturizer, so that I'm pretty sure that her face is properly hydrated. Then I went into the primer. Then that particular primer is from Dove, and that primer is the bomb. If you could see that the thing just take away the shine from her T-zone, and that is it, period. So going into the foundation, I went in with the Silver Mark foundation, and the other one was Maybelline Superstay foundation, and these two foundation was great for her coverage, especially to cover the dark spot on her face as well. Then contouring her skin, I went into the L'Oreal foundation in the shade 500, I guess. So I'm just contouring her face, giving it that warm tone. And guys, you know the drill, guys. See that foundation match, see the skin match. Just leave it for me. I don't understand. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. So guys, going into highlighting her face, so going into it with the Kevyn Aucoin concealer in the shade XX11, and now starting off with highlighting under her eyes, then going to the forehead, the bridge of her nose, then the chin, and just that the places we are highlighting. So, but I'm giving this ending the ending of her eye just there, just to lift the face up very well. Then after that, while I'm waiting for the concealer to tack in a bit, I went in with the blush from the Tehila blush palette. It's a cream blush anyways, but I just love this rosy finish. So remember, I told you guys that she has a dry skin, so I overly went in again with an hydrating spray, so before I start blending in, just to make sure that the skin is still on point in the hydration to get. So I could still hydrate. The truth about hydrating the skin is that it just gives you a flawless finish. So no matter what the skin looks like, keep hydrating. That is just it. So after blending in the under eye, I went into setting under the eye. I set under the eye first with the powder from I think HD Flawless. Then after setting in the under eye, I went straight with the setting powder from Merak in the shade Ginger. So this time around, I found out that there's a whole lot of tip in achieving a flawless under eye when you set under the eyes with both the powder and the setting powder. It creates and gives a whole lot of difference and lift for the under eyes. That is the observation I've gotten through my years of this journey. So guys, I thought to share. Then after which I went into the nose contouring, and I contoured the nose with that upper stick contour, stick foundation anyways. So, and this is me using my beauty blender to blend it in very very well. Then after which, this time around, I am baking her face. I'm baking her face, and just make sure that the face is just right under the oven getting baked, because the flawless finish is mind-blowing already. Like, I was already getting the flawlessness of this look. Like, you know how we started and how what is happening now. You could see a whole lot of difference already. So I used the melanin powder in the shade 108 to set all over her face. Then going to her brows, this is the brow pomade from Eggy and Esther in the shade Toffee. And when it comes to the brows, I am always very 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 attentive. Like, you cannot disturb me, you cannot hear me talk when I'm drawing my brows. Like, I'm very 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 attentive, so I have to take notes of the drawing, very precise, so that everything comes out top notch, flawless, beautiful. So this is just the brows. I've lined on top of under the brows. Now I lined on top of the brows, and this is me using the Beauty Line by Didi Brogasm pencil to fill in the sparse area and make sure that the brows is clean. And see, without highlighting this brows is already giving already. You get it? So you can still have to go to highlight the brows and just clean off and give it that sharp finish. So I'm using this brow highlighter from House of Tara, and using a particular shade to highlight under the brows, clean it up very well. And this is me using this fluffy brush from Beauty Line by Didi to blend it in. So going to the eyeshadow, guys, I started with using the benign eyeshadow primer as her eyeshadow base, and this is me just overly spreading the eyeshadow primer all over her face, then using all over her eyelid, then using this Beauty Line by Didi fluffy brush to blend it. When it comes to eyeshadow, the way you blend your eyeshadow primer gives the results of the final look. So I used that brush to blend it very well. Then I went straight into using this powder from MAC in the shade dark to start up with the transition color. I think mostly these days I usually use this particular powder to build my transition color, so it's usually like a build up for me. Then going into the Morphe eyeshadow palette, I use those soft browns to further the transition color. Then the eyelid, the tail end of the eyelid, just to you can see what I'm doing, just blending everything into the eyes very very well. So I used two eyeshadow palettes to achieve this eyeshadow look. So the first one was the Morphe eyeshadow palette. That was where I got this subtle burnt orange from. And now I'm going over with the Blossom African Queen eyeshadow palette to give it that lighter shade in the beginning. So this is the eyes I was going for, and I love how I blend these eyes. And I guess you guys watch the way this eyeshadow was properly blend into it, so you could not see where one color starts and where the other one ends. So lining a lash line, I went in with the Beauty Line by Didi black pen to line her eyes. Please don't mind this my cap. I had to wear it out this day, but I was carrying my baby, so we had to do this makeup together. So guys, for the under eye, for our waterline, I used this pencil, this retractable pencil from House of Tara, and the shade 01. It's a black under eye pencil, so that's what I use for our waterline. Then I have to smoke underneath her eyes. I love that effect smoking under the eyes gives, especially when you're working with matte eyeshadow. So I just smoke under the eyes. Then this time around, I'm using the same Tara. I use most of Tara products in achieving this look, and their products are mind-blowing. They are so beautiful. So this is a mascara from House of Tara, just using it to clean off the excess eyeshadow fallout on her natural lashes, and give it that natural lashes length before applying the false eyelashes. So then we're going for the lip, and I'm using the brown shade lip stain from House of Tara in the Kiss Kiss product in the shade Aida to line her lip. I was just giving it that precise lining. Then after which I used the smaller brush to blend it in, because I was going for like 3-4 shades of lip stains. So I wanted them to diffuse and blend into each other effortlessly. So I was actually blending this one very well before going into the next shade I went for. So guys, I was actually blending like 4 shades of lip stain. The first one was the brown, the second one was that pink shade, the third one was the nude, and the fourth one was this white from a Magic lip palette. And after which I blend everything in very well, and I went into this Didi gloss. So as a gloss baby to gloss everything together. If you've watched this video to this point, thank you very much for watching to this point. We are almost getting done with this look, this flawless makeup look. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and like this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. It makes me know that you guys love the content I am putting out there, and I will want to do same by making similar videos or videos that you guys like. Drop your thoughts in the comment section as well. I will be very much happy to read your messages in the comment section and reply to every one of them. Thank you so much. So this is me removing the excess baking powder underneath our eyes, and using that fluffy brush to just blend everything together so that we get a seamless look. So this is me just intensifying the contour, because it was looking as if the contour was already fading out, so I had to intensify the contour, guys. Then for the blush, I went into this warm tone from the Blossom eyeshadow palette, just to give it this blush and this radiant warm tone, and this look was mind-blowing. It was beautiful. So I used a blush, highlighter. There's a bronzer from the Revolution bronze set, and this is just me bronzing the nose, bronzing all over her face, the forehead, her cheekbone, and I used the Mario Badescu to bring everything together, to hydrate her face and bring everything together. I see that powdering effect just disappeared. Then I seal it everything with the Sopra Seal It spray. Phew! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Thank you so much, guys, for seeing this video, for clicking on the video in the first place. I say a very big thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much. I am very grateful. Thank you. So this is the end look. This is the finished look, and it's so beautiful. This is every word called flawless. If flawless was a person, this is it. Guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Like this video, please, to encourage me, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. Please don't forget to share the video as well. Then I want to say a very big thank you to NK for styling this hair to perfection. She really outdid herself, and she did marvelously well. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye. Bye.